Hey guys, it's Cupcat here, and today we're gonna play some Counter Blocks. Cause as I said in the last video, this is what we normally do. It's what I'm gonna normally do. So, yeah. And we're in. Hopefully this does not load into a map. God yes. All right. So now I am in Terrorist. And everything is loading and lagging a lot. Well, Cupcat's gonna have some trouble with this lag. Oh my god, this lag. This lag. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Terrace is getting wrecked. It's not good. It's not good at all. Yeah, there's one there. I'm amazed. This guy Ricky is pretty good. Yeah, I left. And he's out of that building. This guy is a sniper now. Boring bit is spectating. All I do is spectate. How's my friend Peanut? Yeah, the kidding Peanut. That's right. Oh, I am gonna do a live stream if I get 50 subscribers. So first live stream, 50 subscribers. You know, because why the hell not? Ooh, no. This guy. Okay, Peanut is just pro, man. Look at his karambit knife. I got a bayonet knife if you didn't know already. Oh wow, okay, that's game over. Okay, starting fresh. Fresh. Alright, seaside. Seaside all seaside all the way. Metro I lag, this guy I lag, the Inferno. Seaside is the beast. Yes, okay, terrorist, here we go. This gun is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna use my auto pistol as I normally do, cause I got bored of it. At start, you're just like, wow, I got this, and I want it so bad. Yeah, it gets boring a lot, cause like the ammo, as I said in one of my videos, I forgot, is that has no ammo at all. So. No. This is not fair, so I'll join the other team soon. Ow. Oh no! Here he comes! Actually, I'm gonna take that 5-7. Cool. Oh. Everyone loves 5-7s because 5-8-7. No, that didn't happen. 5-8-7. 7-8-5. Wait, what? No, I'm getting confused. Yeah. Okay. 5-7 till I die. All the way. Check, check, check. This lag. Okay. Peanut is dead. If I fail this jump, I always fail that jump because I'm not. Oh my god, this guy's sneaky little guy. Taking that. Thank you. Unless this guy has something else. I'm a thief, man. I'm a thief. Yeah, I really want to play some other games, like on Steam, but I just don't. Because I don't. Yeah. This 5-7 is really good. I like it. Yes! Ow. Well, ow. Makes no sense. Come at me. Okay. Random shoots. I saw a guy there. I saw him. I saw you, Peanut. Ow. I'm leaving. Bye. Goodbye. Okay. Okay, just shoot and run. Sure, I'm not gonna mess with that guy. He looks serious. Mr. Peanut looks serious. Ah! Peekaboo! Okay, I died. I don't see you. Lost my 5-7, that's great. This guy's gonna be like dead. Yeah, he did. Yes, he did. Shimer. Shamer. I have lots of questions for this game. Not. I just... You can just block. I got a skin for it. Yeah. I'm not gonna jinx it. I'm not even gonna ask for a skin for my AWP. Like, I'm not gonna jinx it. Every time I ask for one, I jinx it. It's so annoying. What? Okay. Oh my god. No, don't take my P. AWP. Dare take it. See, this guy has a skin on it. I'm jealous, man. Look at his skin. I'm not gonna say it. I don't want to jinx it, man. Is that beautiful? I'm sorry if this is lagging, because like I don't know what happened to screencast free version. It's just lagging. What? Oh, this guy go. Okay, run. Just run. I want the AK, man. Look at the AK. Yeah, it's gonna be badass. Alright. AK time with my C4. Oh no! No! I need that C4, man. Come at me. Yeah. 7 minutes and I'm doing horrible. Well, okay, there was a guy there. Hiding. What? This, oh my god, I'm getting rage. Ugh. Man, I suck, man. They're horrible. Of course I am. Shirley's and the melodies. Yeah, these people, he's so dead. Screwed. Yes, Peanut, you're pissing me. I'm gonna be a noob. No. I'm not selfish. I go for the dead team. If you know what I mean. Please subscribe. I can't buy anything. Bishop, why not? Best way, Captain. Oh. Okay, they're gonna come from behind, man. Whoa, got him. Got him a few times. Ah! What? No! He shot. No. No, what? He either shot through the wall or jumped down so fast that I couldn't spectate him in time. Okay. I agree with that. I'm not gonna blame anyone because, like, you know, this is just a game. Yeah. Why? God, I hate this. Okay, Gale. I got a skin for 2. Yay! Dun. No! No! Don't you kill my friend! I kill you! Oh. Ah! Oh my god. Why? Why? my god, I hate this. Okay, we're losing badly. Yeah. Ugh. Sad life. Terrorists. Can I just resign at my Terry job? If it's even a job. It's not even a job. CT. These people are just like, this is so fair. Very jarkly. Oh, flashbang. Man, scared. Oh no, they're coming from that way, aren't they? Oh, I have this glitch that I can see through smoke. Please help my computer, it has problems. I'm not angry. Not a single bit. Oh, this game is pissing me off. Oh my god, why? Ah, what? Don't tell me someone down here. Oh, one guy. Finally, for God's sakes, I finally got one person. I got one person to die. Go. Man, my friend came home today. My buddy, my best friend, he came home today, and man, I'm not happy. My gaming skills. You're turning down, like down. Kill him, kill. Table smack. What? It's 2-on-1. You should be able to. No. Oh wait, yes. Face palm. Hashtag face palm. Okie dokie. Someone's texting me. Win. Okay. MP7. Send it all the way. You can't aim with the scope. That's not right. Okay, no afterkill. No afterkill this time. No. Not today. Hello. Ow! Oh, he's dead? Oh my god. Whoa! 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 Oh, hi. Whoa, okay. These people are for real, man. No, wrong. Okay, I have to use this now. Okay, time to be for real. Oh god, no. Take this. Oh god. Okay. 1-on-1. Come on, let's do this, Peanut. Where you at? I'm scared. I'm scared! Come on, Peanut. Oh my god, he's right there. What do I do? Okay, I'm gonna go plant the bomb. Actually, I'm gonna go confront him. Oh my god, this lag. Okay. Well, I think that's enough for today. I suck at this game now, man. I play Feed This Facility, fail everything, and of course, I just, just take the ball. I don't care, we're gonna lose. You guys will have AKs, and I have nothing. I suck. Oh, okay, yeah. Well, that's it for today. I just kissed my computer. It's burning. And yeah, well, I guess, oh finally, Peanut dies. Of course he dies at the very end. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.